If I'm feeling empty, it's because I ain't in purpose. If I'm feeling lost, it's because I'm in purpose. If I'm feeling useless, it's because I ain't in purpose. Man, we have this identity crisis, man, because we're basing things on society, on masculinity, on traditional man. All these things that we're not being fulfilled, we're not being useful, not realizing purpose. Purpose, the key to God's purpose is our fulfillment. Our fulfillment is the key to our purpose. If we want to have a fulfilling life, we need to walk in purpose. We need to understand who we are. We need to understand why we're here. We need to understand that we need to have the mind of God. We need to understand that we need to go to the Creator for the answers that we have. We need to understand purpose. If we don't know purpose, we will abuse people. We will hurt people. If we don't understand purpose, we don't know God has a purpose. If we don't understand purpose, we don't realize God has a purpose for our life. And the reason why we don't know purpose, because we have lost the understanding of God's true intent. Because God, watch this, God created us for humanity and not for masculinity. Start being human, brothers. The best thing for us to do is to discover and live in the original plan of the one who created humanity, not masculinity. And only then will we inherit our nature and rights of men, not just men and women, so that both male and female can live in freedom and a fulfillment life. Hey look, this is God Ray coming to you live all the way from here. Where's here? Right here.